Hello everybody. Welcome to my house. That was the first time I've done a vlog from home, I think. What I'm doing now is just going over some weekend prep, and I'm looking at some of the data that I've taken from the week just to go back over my performance. I've got two things, and I'll quickly switch the camera around so you can see. So down here I've got my subjective self-scoring that I've been doing each day, noticing things like I need to reduce my ideas down to concise trading plans. And then up here at the computer, I've got my P&Ls on one side over here, and then my weekly prep here, and I'm just working on this bit here, focus. So what I want to go into now is just that there's kind of like key notes or the focuses for the new week. What I'm doing here is taking the information from both sources, so kind of like factual stuff and things I've noticed about my own trading, and I'm trying to work out what I need to do better this week to kind of like, I suppose, like bang for your buck with focus. So one of those things was working on trade plans. And so the reason for that was that I often actually this week had really good trading in the morning, trading European markets, make quite good trades. And then in the afternoon, I get a little bit defensive with my P&L, have my stops too tight, and then just sort of like leak money. The other thing that I did was I was swapping to trading the CME markets in the afternoon, but I'm a little bit out of sync with the price action, the way the markets are trading. And also while volatility is low, those markets are a lot harder. So I think the risk to going over there and trading poorly is a lot higher than in high volatility markets, because, you know, the price action is cleaner, the moves are cleaner. So it's quite tricky right now. So I think now, if I'm going to start trading US markets, I need to put a little bit more focus on doing that, and maybe spend a little bit more time observing them before I start trading, even if it means I risk losing a trade on the first day or two. I think I just need to get, back in the zone of the smaller time frame in those markets. Other than that, what have I got here? I sort of noticed this week that I was quite tired. I took a 3-day weekend last week, but was still a little bit, you felt sort of overworked. I'm doing like a lot of extra work, obviously like this vlog, and so that then eats into our time, and you'll know from being a trader that you already spend a lot of time focusing doing this job. So trying to achieve a balance. I also, as we said the other day, when we were down in the gym, like now I'm also training for this half marathons. I think I'll be physically a little bit more tired than usual as well. And actually, I think that rolling out session really helped. So that was good. So I obviously need to keep doing that. And then the other thing that I noticed this week is from trading the Eurex markets and trying, and basically this whole time we've been doing this vlog, I've been focusing more on sort of working on my engagement with the market, so being really present in the market, like looking at the smaller time frame information and trying to make more sense of that. And so one thing I've been noticing is I've been finding more access ideas. They're a little bit more aggressive, and so what I want to do now is take my usual sort of like structured passive type entries, and then I'm just going to work in like small partial clips to sort of practice using these more, I suppose, like newer things I'm noticing. So I'm starting to, like, at least I'm basing my trading in my core access that I know works for me, but then I'm sort of starting to work in new ideas, but hopefully in a way where, mistakes or whatever from me trying new things doesn't sort of like overweigh what I already know. So that way I can kind of like learn without adding too much volatility to my P&L. So that's what I'm thinking going forward. Now I've just got to go through the markets and finish the weekend prep. All right, have a good weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Monday.